guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, you've probably seen my many videos as far as around this topic. With the blower motor recall currently going on with BMW, you have the connectors, burning out, therefore catching your BMW on fire. I show you the video as far as how to check to see the condition of yours. I'll post that up here at the top. So the fix is out from BMW of what they're going to be replacing on your blower motor recall. Now, some are getting in there right now because the parts are just coming in. Now, some of you do have rental cars and therefore you're waiting on that. Others have the car still at BMW with your rental car, at home. Some folks can have their car at their house with the rental car. Obviously, it all depends on the dealer itself. Now, with me working from home, I don't drive this car hardly at all, so therefore, and my wiring looks perfect, I'm just gonna keep it here. I don't need to have a rental. Let's go over those pieces as far as what BMW is fixing, so that way you guys are in the know.
So the solution is an updated harness with its own ground wire instead of a shred ground, as you can see here. It's the same part number and has not been revised. So that is the new updated wiring piece. With the blower motor itself, you get the whole new control piece, as you can see there, and then that's just the other part of the picture that shows the wiring that connects it all back through the system again.
Well guys, there you have it, the update from BMW as far as what they are fixing on your blower motor recall, so that way it can stop the issue. We'll see if there's any more updates coming out from this as far as, any new parts being changed out from the mix that I just showed you, or any new different revisions. We'll see, because of course mine will have to get in here once my local dealership has the parts available. As always, thanks for stopping in. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Enjoy the day. Take care.